Hello, I'm Daniela, and I'm here to share a brief introduction to one of today's most popular drug delivery formats. Let's dive right in and learn a bit about autoinjectors. An autoinjector is a medical device designed to inject a fixed dose of a parenteral drug. Most autoinjectors deliver that drug subcutaneously from a single-use, disposable, spring-loaded syringe. The design of these devices makes it easy for patients to self-administer an injectable drug product and adhere to their prescribed therapy. That's a big advantage in today's healthcare market, especially for at-home care. In fact, autoinjectors are now one of the world's most in-demand injection devices, and increasingly a strategic must-have for many drug owners. So, what makes autoinjectors so popular? This type of device has several important advantages. First, autoinjectors simplify injectable therapies. They require no additional preparation steps and inject the drug automatically. This easy, intuitive process reduces common adherence challenges and helps patients stay consistent with their treatment. Autoinjectors' user-friendly functionality is also a competitive advantage. Launching in this format can help drug products stand out in highly competitive therapeutic markets. While autoinjectors are popular, they are just one of several self-injection formats, including injector pens and safety devices. Autoinjectors fully automate a single dose, require minimal training, and hide the needle before and after use. Injector pens, on the other hand, contain multiple doses, but each dose requires manual preparation steps, including attaching a needle. Safety devices are single-use like autoinjectors, but require manual plunger operation and needle handling, though the needle retracts after use. Autoinjectors offer a simpler process that automates delivery and keeps the needle fully out of sight. In the end, though, the best device for each product comes down to several factors: user-friendliness, but also therapy type, dosing requirements, patient characteristics, and product profile. These are just a few key facts to know about autoinjectors and why more and more injectable products are launching in this type of device. That's it. If you'd like to learn more about selecting the right autoinjector and how they are assembled and packaged, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to bringing you more insights just like this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.